Today we're going to continue with trigonometry. So today what we are going to be doing is we are going to be applying how to solve trig problems, which we already have done last week, to word problems. So let's take a look at it. So I'm going to do number 13 and you will be responsible for 14, 15, and 16. So number 13, Joe is flying a kite at the park and realizes that all 500 feet of string are out. Margie measures the angle of the string with the ground with her clinometer and finds it to be 42.5 degrees. How high is Joe's kite above the ground? So whenever you see a word problem and you're not given a picture, you're going to have to draw a picture to help you figure it out. So think about it. This would be Joe. He's flying his kite. Right, that's how a kite would be. This would be the ground. And this obviously would be how high the kite is off the ground. So this is going to be your 90-degree angle. You don't have to draw Joe, you don't have to draw your kite, but this is just to show you where I'm getting this picture from. So if this here is Joe's string, we know this is 500 feet. Margie measures the angle of the string. So here's the string with the ground. This is the ground. So that means that this angle is 42.5. How high is Joe's kite above the ground? Here's his kite. Here's the ground. So you want to know how high is it from the ground, so that would be my x. Now don't forget, SOHCAHTOA. So I have my opposite and I have my hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse is here, so that means I'm using sine. So I'm doing the sine of 42.5 equals x over 500. So we're going to cross multiply. And we end up with x equals 500 sine 42.5. Now remember, you do have to make sure you are in degree mode. So go to the mode of the calculator, make sure you're still in degree mode. So you just do 500 times the sine of 42.5. And we end up with, they don't ask us to round, so I'm going to round to the nearest hundredths place. So 337.80 feet. And that's all it is to solving word problems with trig. Again, you do have to make sure you draw your pictures. It's the only way that you are going to be able to solve the problem.